How to fix iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your outgoing calls not ringing. So if outgoing calls on your iPhone don't ring, you will need to start by checking the basics. So first, make sure that your iPhone is not on silent mode. You can turn this on and turn this off if it's not. Then after you're not in the silent mode, you will need to turn up your volume all the way up. So turn up your volume all the way up. You can also use this control center to do that. And after you've turned your volume all the way up, confirm that you're also not on any do not disturb. So turn this off. I'll just turn it on for now. And after you've done that, make sure the other focus modes are disabled as well. After you've done those, you can try toggling on your airplane mode and turn it off. After you've done that, if your issue is still persisting, you might want to restart or reset your network settings. For that, go to your settings, go to your general, and from here scroll down all the way till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on reset. And then reset all of your settings, or simply just your network settings. After you've done that, your iPhone will restart and the problem should get fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.